Hey guys, Dan here with Dan Heath Outdoors. Just showing y'all my new turkey gun here. It's a Mossberg 12 gauge 835. Got it at Walmart. He bought me this nice little sling with it. Bought me some shells. I'm fixing to do a review on these. I got the double XX. And I got the Remington. Hang on. I got the Remington. I can't think right. There we go. Winchester Longbeard XR. I'm gonna see which one is better. I hear a lot of good reviews about the Longbeard XR, but a friend of mine shot to shoot these before these came out, and he told me he's totally switched up, and these had done a lot better than the double X. But we're fixing to do a review on them on the next video. So if you like this video, hit like. Like I said, nice little gun. Glad I got it. But if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification for the next video. See you on the next one.